Ice Storage Air Conditioning Ice Thermal Storage 910 ARF Product Introduction. Product Quick Details. Hey there! The cold capacity of our amazing product ranges from a whopping 313 ARF all the way up to an impressive 910 ARF. And get this, the coil material is made of top-notch Nanwo PE, SS304, and SS316. As for the refrigerant carrier, we've got ethylene glycol, propylene glycol, and ammonia. How cool is that? Product features. This thermal ice storage system is an absolute game changer. It can store cold through refrigerant carriers produced during off-peak hours. Imagine having an air conditioning system with ice storage that can supply cooling for commercial buildings, malls, airports, train stations, hospitals, schools, and offices. It's a cost-effective air conditioning solution that not only helps improve grid efficiency but also reduces carbon emissions and lowers energy consumption. It's a win-win-win. It saves costs and improves the efficiency of power plants. And guess what? It reduces chiller capacity by 30% to 50% and the cost of air conditioning system power capacity. That means more savings for you. Plus, it reduces daily operation costs by utilizing cheaper off-peak electricity. How amazing is that? It also enhances the reliability of the AC system by providing backup cooling capacity. You can rest easy knowing that your cooling needs are always taken care of. And it increases working efficiency by stabilizing chiller operation conditions and offers perfect flexibility to meet year-round varying cooling demands. Our product provides 1 to 4 degrees centigrade cold water for large area zone air conditioning systems, reducing the cost and consumption of water and wind transportation systems. It also lowers indoor humidity and enhances indoor air quality. It's environmentally friendly, reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. What more could you ask for? Application. Our product can be used in chilled water cooling systems, HVAC cooling systems, process cooling systems for products such as food and milk, district cooling stations, and air conditioning systems. The possibilities are endless. Quality assurance. We take pride in our product's quality. It has a patent design, ZL2265320.1. Our manufacturer facility is certified with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001. And all products have passed CE, ASME, and other certifications. You can trust that you are getting a top quality product.